I can't think of a good intro for the video, so I'll just make fun of sneaker YouTube thumbnails. And they're all doing way better than this channel. That's probably audible torture. Sorry about that. But the whole channel point is torture. Hello! Welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. Here's some social media info. You could do those or don't, whichever. And you can subscribe. I actually have another review coming up pretty soon, so if you like this review and you want to see another review, that's your choice and your burden. Hi, pals. Today we're taking a closer look at a shoe that released, like 5 months ago? So this video is not what one would consider timely. Whoa, hold on. I'm making sure it's centered. We're looking at the Nike SB Dunk Low Quick Strike What the P-Rod. These are obviously, I don't know if it's obvious or not, but Paul Rodriguez is a skater. He's one of one of the first Nike SB athletes, I guess you could say. But this release pretty much takes aspects of other Paul Rodriguez, I guess you could say player editions or signatures, I guess you could say, and puts them on a dunk silhouette, which is interesting because he has his own line. But anyways, it's a pretty cool shoe. So let's take a look at the details because there's a lot of them. If the footage that I just showed you really gets the point across that the overall theme of this shoe to me is textures. There's a lot of textures on this shoe. I think, don't quote me on it because I didn't do too much research for this video, but I think these pull aspects of 16 different Paul Rodriguez shoes. There's the P-Rod 1, the P-Rod 2, there's a couple P-Rod dunks, even a lunar rod, but yeah. If I were to pick my favorite of the two shoes, obviously, would definitely be the left shoe because I think it's just better. It's better color blocking, and I don't really like midsoles that aren't white. I just think it makes it look kind of heavy and stuff. I doubt I'm gonna keep them. I will be honest with you. I pre-ordered them from a website and I got them, I think like 10 weeks after the release, which is fine, but after everything died down, I thought these would be over $1,000. They are not. I basically paid a little bit under market for these, so it is what it is. I think it's a cool shoe. Okay, so it is a Dunk SB low, so you're gonna have to go up half a size from your true to size because of the Zoom Air insole taking up a lot of space, especially in this forefoot area. I know I have wide feet and high arches, so my true to size is 11. I have to get 11.5 in all Dunk Low SBs. These released 3 times, I guess you could say. They released first on May 12th, I think is what I wrote down. May 12th was the online raffle from Primitive, which is, I think he's part owner of Primitive or sole owner of Primitive Skateboards. I don't remember. They then released in skate shops nationwide on the 22nd of May, and then on sneakers on the 24th of May. So these have been out for quite a while. I think the current resale market on them, at least in this size right now, is around $650, and I paid $630 for these. So it's basically like getting them at market. I just had to wait a little bit. The retail price on these was $150, which makes a lot of sense because there are a lot of different materials that go into this. So it definitely looks like it probably took a lot longer to produce. My favorite aspect of this shoe is definitely, it's on both of them. I think the quilted liner is a very nice touch. But yeah, this is an okay shoe. I still think it's kind of weird that they did a What the P-Rod on a Dunk when he has his own signature line of sneakers through Nike, but I mean, gotta capitalize off Dunk hype somehow, and Nike SB has been doing that very well for the past year, if you can't tell by resale prices on most of the good Dunk SBs that have come out. So yeah, it's not a bad shoe, not my favorite. I doubt I'm gonna keep them. But yeah, this is a short video. Sorry about that. I just wanted to get this thing up.
That's what she said.
Because a lot of people want to see it. Plus, I really like what I did with the close-up shots. So let me know if you got these when they released. Let me know if you like them. Let me know if you don't like them. Or don't let me know anything at all. It's really up to you. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We'll see you soon for some other kind of video. And until then, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.